Oh, hey everyone. Hope you all are doing great at your place. So, today is Yoga Day. Yes, International Yoga Day. Yoga is not an exercise to be physically fit, but it is the exercise to be mentally fit. It is something which relates to you and your own self. Yoga is not only the journey of self, it is the journey to yourself and through yourself. Yes, योगा करने से हमें कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ हमारे अंदर की चीज़ें हम खुद को जान पाते हैं, हमें पता लगता है, हमारा माइंड क्लियर होता है, वी गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट वन सेल्फ। योगा करने से जब हम खुद को जान पाते हैं तो हमारे माइंड में बहुत सारी क्लैरिटीज़ आ जाती हैं, जिसके थ्रू हमारा जो विज़न होता है लाइफ को अच्छे से जीना, खुश रहना, और हमारे अंदर जो एक अलग सी जो खुशी होती है ना, वो हमारे चेहरे पर साफ साफ झलकती है। इट इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली थ्रू योगा। सो इफ़ यू रियली वॉन्ट कि आप सिर्फ चेहरे से खुश ना हो, अपने बॉडी से भी खुश हों, अपने अंदर से खुश हों, तो इट्स राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट योगा। Yes, through yoga you will gain a lot of self confidence. So, lot of self energy you will get. And throughout the day you will feel like you are at the top of the level. Yes, you will definitely touch the limits of sky.
We all are doing a lot of activities in day to day life, such as gardening, planting trees, making food, going to office, or even working in the office with a coffee on our table, and of course, studying. So, here I would like to ask a question. How would you feel if you are surrounded with all the negative thoughts around you, all the negativity, or your thoughts are just killing you inside, surrounded with lot of garbage around you, and not be able to do the work more efficiently, getting demotivated always. In short, your inner peace is missing. What you will do? Yes, of course, you would try to shift from negative thoughts to positive thoughts. You will like to be happy all the time. You will move to a place where you feel the happiness, the peace around you. तो क्या हम आज से अपनी लाइफ में एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी को ऐड नहीं कर सकते जिससे कि हमारे अंदर पॉजिटिविटी आएगी, पीस आएगा, वी आर बॉडी विल बी energetic throughout the day. There would be a positivity in all our thoughts. Yes, I'm talking about adding yoga in our life. The body is your temple. Keep it pure and clean for the soul to reside in. So always remember that
Yoga is the journey to yourself and through yourself. Thank you.